Hello everyone, my name is Naveen Vasisht and my roll number is 34 and now we are going to discuss internal third paper of data science. So here we start. Question number 1. Which paradigm of data research involves what problems can we solve given some data? Option A hypothesis driven, B data driven, C model driven and D analysis driven. So the answer is B data driven. Question number 2. Unstructured data cannot be easily stored in. So the answer from these all are images or audio. The probability of an event E is calculated as sum of the probabilities of outcomes in E. In descriptive statistics, which measure is useful for skewed distribution or data with outlier? Arithmetic mean, geometric mean, median or mode. So the answer is median, C. During data cleaning, artifacts are irrecoverable information lost during acquisition. Features engineering for discrete data includes one-hot encoding. The normal distribution rule follows the 68, 95, 99.7 rule. In modeling, the error terms epsilon consist of reducible and irreducible error. Occam's razor suggests that most complex model or option B simplest model with equal performance. So the answer is this simplest model with equal performance. Parametric model risk A no assumption about F B wrong assumptions leading to bad results. So yes, the answer is wrong assumption leading to bad results. For classification, evaluation precision is TP by TP plus FP. In linear regression, coefficients are found using minimizing RSS. So answer is minimizing RSS. So now we are going to deal with question number 30. So the logistic regression predicts option A numerical values, option B predict probabilities using sigmoid. So the answer is probabilities using sigmoid. Euclidean distance is Minkowski with K. So the K is 2. K means clustering assigns observation to farthest centroid or closest centroid. So the answer is closest centroid. Decision trees are prone to underfitting or overfitting. So the answer is overfitting. In neural networks, activation function introduce non-linearity. Hadoop's HDFS provides job scheduling or high throughput data access. So the answer is high throughput data access. In SQL, to combine rows from the two tables based on related columns, option A select, where, C join. The answer is C join. Python DQ supports option B append and pop from both ends. The following are types of data mentioned in data science. A is structured, unstructured, quantitative, categorical. So what are the most correct answers here? So the answer is D, J and L only. Like structured and quantitative are the following types of data mentioned in data science. The following are more probability concepts. Independent events, Bayes theorem, expected value or variance equal to sigma. So all of these are correct. The following are data cleaning methods for missing values: drop record, mean value imputation, nearest neighbor, or outlier detection. So the correct answers are drop records, L, nearest neighbor, and M, outlier detection. The following, question number 24. The following are modeling philosophies. Option J, Occam's razor simplest explanation, bias variance trade-off, no free lunch theorem, Nate Silver think probabilistically. So the answer is J, K, L and M. All are the modern modeling philosophies. We know that. The following are distance measures: Manhattan K equals to 1, Euclidean K equals to 2, cosine for vectors, and KL divergence for probabilities. So the answer is A. All are correct. J, K, L and M. Match the distribution in column 1 with the key properties in column 2 and choose the correct answers. Binomial, normal, Poisson and power law. So we know all these answers, like binomial where EV is equals to NP and variance is NPQ. In normal shape is bell-shaped curve and symmetric curve. And overfitting EV is equals to variance equals to lambda. Poisson EV equal to variance equal to lambda. And power law D, which is long tails Pareto. Okay, right. Another one. First is reducible error, irreducible error, overfitting and underfitting. So reducible error is like high bias and misses relations. Irreducible error is like high variance and model noise. C is overfitting, which means cannot be reduced. D is underfitting, means can be minimized by better technique. Match the ML algorithm in column 1 with the characteristics in column 2. So now linear regression is the first, and let's see on the next slide. Option B is logistic regression, C is k-means, D is decision tree. So the answer is B. Logistic regression is binary branching prone to overfitting. C. K-means predicts numerical minimize RSS. Decision tree predicts probabilities and segment. Match the column HDFS, map, reduce, yarn, and spark. So HDFS will be mapped to distributed file system, and a map reduce will be mapped to parallel processing paradigm. You know that. Yarn will be mapped to job scheduling, resource management. Spark will be matched to in-memory processing RTD. So the answer will be A. Section 4 AR type. So assertion is correlation does not imply causation, and reason is it measures degree of relationship but not cause effect. So both A and R are true, but and R is the correct explanation of A. So the A will be correct explanation and answer here. 31 question. Assertion gradient descent uses learning rate alpha for step size. Reason R, it minimizes cost in linear regression. B, both A and R are true, but R is not the correct explanation of it. 32. Assertion A, reason R. Neural networks are universal approximator. Reason R. They can approximate any complex function with enough layers. So the answer will be both A and R are true, but and R is the correct explanation of A. Assertion. In CSQL, join combines rows based on related column. Reason R. It handles data from multiple tables. Both A and R are true, and R is the correct explanation of A. So now section 5, ordering type. Arrange these steps in k-fold CV in the correct order. Divide data into k folds, train on k minus 1, validate on 1, repeat k times average error. So the answer will be JLKM. Answer will be JLKM. Divide data into k fields, then repeat it k time, then train on k minus 1, validate on 1, and average errors. 35. Average the gradient descent algorithm in the correct order. So here the correct order will be compute gradient, then choose learning rate, then update parameters, then repeat until convergence. Arrange the k-means step in the correct order. So here the correct order will be compute new centroids, random initial assignments, no. Complete new centroids assigned to closest centroid, then random initial assignments, and then iterate until no change. Arrange the map reduce process in the correct order. This is the next question, guys. So the correct answer will be map process data to key value, then shuffle and sort, then reduce aggregate, then output results. Arrange the neural network training in the correct order. So here the correct order will be compute icons, forward propagation, back propagation, update weights. Arrange the PCA steps in the correct order. So here the answer options will be like project data, then standardized data, then compute covariance matrix, then find innovator vector. 40. Arrange the Hadoop components in data flow in the correct order. The correct order will be yarn scheduling, HDFS storage, map reduce processing, then output to HDFS. Thank you.